Now I'm going to prepare my back piece, and we want interfacing along this area here. So I'm taking my pattern pieces off. Now luckily I have got this beautiful roll of iron-on interfacing, which is great because I can use that, and I'm going to just put that here right where my snip is, where I'm going to fold it over and put it on and iron it so that it's exactly the same distance all the way along. So I'm going to do that on both sides. Now we're going to iron on our iron-on interfacing, making sure that's securely stuck to the underside of our fabric. Now we're ready to sew it all together. Woo, it's very exciting. So the first step is to serge the side seams and the hem. So I'm going to go around with my serger or overlocker, depends on what you want to call it, and I'm going to do all the sides, and I'm going to go all the way down there. You don't need to do where we are going to have our little vents, so this diagonal line doesn't need to be serged, and then I do the hem as well. Now we're going to serge the sides. Be very careful not to cut into your fabric, and we're serging the side seams, the hems, and of course also the shoulder seams. Now we've overlocked all the pieces, we are ready to sew it all together.